Hello everybody, what's up? It's been a long since I haven't uploaded any videos on YouTube. In Twitter, I have posted that due to COVID-19, I was unable to upload videos. So now I'll continue uploading. And at first, I'll upload a video about Deno. Deno is runtime environment for JavaScript. This is alternative of Node.js. The developer is same Ryan Dell who made Node.js. Deno has some advantages that Node.js doesn't have. Deno is secure runtime for JavaScript and TypeScript. You know TypeScript? TypeScript is superset of JavaScript. That means you can do all of the functionality of object-oriented programming of JavaScript by using TypeScript. Engine Node.js and Deno as well as both use. Deno is simple, modern and secure. I will show you what does it mean, how the Deno is more secure than Node.js. Now you can say, is Node.js is dead? No, exactly not. Actually, if you are expert in Node.js, I'll recommend you not to switch in Deno. You can still work with Node.js. Nobody knows about future, what happens in future, but in this time, actually, you can stick with that. Ships only single executive file in here. Unlike Node.js, you don't need to have package.json or node modules. That is what it means. It has built in it. Let's come to the installation part. At first, if you are using Mac or Linux, you can use Homebrew or curl. In Linux it is very easy, just install curl. Okay, sudo apt install curl. In the command prompt, just use that command. But in Windows it is little bit different. Unlike Linux, Windows uses Chocolatey to install Deno. Okay, at first let's see how to install Chocolatey. So go to the Chocolatey official website, chocolatey.org. This is the installation part. You see the requirements for installing Chocolatey. Okay, we are not going through it. Let's do it. Just search for PowerShell, run as administrator. Yes, we on permission. Okay, let's make it smaller. Now installation process is very much simple. Here it is. Just copy to clipboard, copy and paste it here and press enter. This should install it. Chocolatey installation is done. Now for make sure it's installed or not, just use this command choco -- version. Okay, by using this Chocolatey we are going to install Deno. It's very simple. Just copy this command and paste it in here. The PowerShell. Okay, let's wait for some time to install Deno. Do you want to run a script? Yes. Okay, yes for on, but we can yes to all by pressing A. Okay, we have to yes for all the terms that will ask for yes or no. We are going to yes to all. Okay, Deno is installed successfully on my system. It takes long time to install. Usually it doesn't take that. Just write Deno version. It's installed successfully. Deno 1.0.2. This is the latest version, and this using V8 engine and TypeScript version is 3.9.2. Okay, let's get started. At the Deno official website, Deno.land, and see getting started. Try running the simple program. Just copy this code and paste it here. Okay, downloading. At first it need to download, so it's downloaded, and it's saying welcome to Deno. Let's see how it is working. Go to standard library. In standard library, go for the examples. From here, just go to welcome.ts. Okay, this is the code. They are using login.log, console.log. That is what we are getting in our command prompt. Okay, let's try another one. Let's go for the color. For now, just copy, Control C, Deno run. It's running and it's saying hello world. That is what we are getting from this, but in here the color is red. You can see the color is red and background is blue maybe. Now Deno is working successfully. Deno has an interpreter like Node.js and Python has. Just write Deno. Here you can write some simple programming by using JavaScript. For example, I want to add 1 plus 1, it will give 1 plus 2, it will give me the answer of 3. Let define a variable. Let num is equal 4. This is undefined, we haven't executed, so just write num. It will give us the value of num. Okay, let's install a code editor, that is Visual Studio Code. This is very useful code. There are a few more code editor you can find out there. Okay, once you have downloaded the Visual Studio Code, install it. The process is very simple, and from there go to this button extension, or just click on Ctrl Shift X, that is the shortcut, and search for Deno. That is the extension we want. This Deno is by just JavaScript. Okay, install it. It will help us to write Deno JavaScript code or TypeScript code. Okay, file, add folder to workspace, go to the desktop where we made the folder Deno Besic, that is the folder we're looking for. Okay, the icon is not looking perfect to me, so just click on this file, preferences, file, icon theme. From here just write additional, install additional theme. Okay, we are going to install additional icons. Okay, Visual Studio Code icon. I think this one is looking perfect. Okay, install it. Once it is installed, just click on this set file icon theme. Okay, save it. Now it should see the icon is look like different. Okay, just name a file name server dot. In Node.js you will give the extension .js, but in here we are going to give it ts, that means TypeScript. We can write all the JavaScript code here, but additionally what we can do, we can write TypeScript code. I already told you what TypeScript is. but in here we are going to learn practically. Deno is secret by default. Let's see what does it means. Go to the Deno official website. From here just copy the link and paste it. Just write a variable const result is equal Deno has high level await function, so we don't need async function, so we can just write await and fetch the API fetch it from the Deno official site. Okay, let's console log this result, save it, Deno run server. Okay, let's see, it's compiling. Now it's saying uncached permission denied network access. We need permission to access this network, so just write Deno run dash allow network and the file name server.js. Okay, now see, it's working perfectly. You see the response is, this is the URL, status code is 200. Okay, go to the Deno official website. From here click on this manual, go to the permission. Here you see the permission list. Okay, let's see how we can create a simple HTTP server by using Deno. This is very low level. Okay, delete all of them. We need to import serve from, we need to import serve from server.js that we can find from this standard library HTTP. Here is a file server.ts. We need this file to be link up with our server, so just write double quotation mark. Let's make a variable const address is equal 127.0.0.1. Port will be 8000. Okay, that is our address, because I forgot to give an curly braces. Okay, now let's console this out. Just write log $sign and curly braces. Okay, a double address. Now let's make a for loop for, as I said before, that it is very high level, so we can write await outside of in function. Okay, const rec of serve bracket here address Now the curly braces here, rig.respond, we're going and make it blank. The curly braces will be blank. Okay, save it, run it once again. Just press the up button so you can find the previous command you have entered. Okay, press enter once again. It is compiling, it will take. Okay, it is running. The SQL server is running on 127. Let's try it. Is it working or not? Okay, let's try it. It is working or not? It is working. You can see nothing is showing error here. Unlike Node.js, Deno supports browser compatible lifecycle events. That is, when we are going to reload our page, that something will happen to our website. That is the additional functionality Deno has added. So let's see. Window.on load. When window will load, this function will run. Okay, log, something will log out. Is on load. Okay, save it. Deno run allow net. We know Deno is good by default. Server. Okay, this should work. The window is on load. Okay, let's make it TypeScript. So after this arrow function, this parenthesis, we need to give an colon and the return type will be void. We can write some different return type. For example, if I just write any, the return type will be number or string, anything. But when we'll write void, we can't give any return statement. For example, we can write return event. This event comes from this parameter event. You see, type event is not assignable, type of void. Because this is void, we cannot give any return statement. For example, when we give any, we can give the return statement. Okay, now this is the parameter event. This is type of event. That is what we are going to print. But now we don't want any return statement, so just write void and delete this statement, and event type is plus is equal. Here is the concatenation we are going to do. Event dot type, save it once again, run it, compiling. You see, window is on load and event type is load. Okay, that is what I tried to explain. Okay, let's work with date time. So let's import. Okay, import second bracket here current day of, we want the current day of this year from this library. Okay, save it and console this out. Save it, a function at issue.now. This is on 48 days from 365, that is a total year. Okay, there are lots of functions you can find from this mod.ts. What you can do, just copy this link and paste it in your browser. There you can find some function like this, current day of year or something else. One more thing, you can install it on your system. How we can install it? Just write Deno, instead of run this time just type install, copy this and paste it here. It is downloading and installing on our local machine. This is the folder where this module is installed. Okay, this is the path where it is. Go to the C drive, user. Okay, you see they made a folder that is .deno inside bin. This is the date time we have installed it right now. Okay, now let's check Deno Runtime API. Just click on this Runtime API. From here we are going to check different method Deno has. Okay, at first let's check for the Deno version. Deno dot, this is the variables for Deno. You see Deno version. Okay, copy this line and now console log this and paste it here. Deno run allow network server. Okay, now press enter. You see the Deno version and TypeScript version with the V8. Yes, okay, let's check for this Deno.mkdir. We are going to make a new directory by using Deno. Okay, copy this line. Now let's make a directory by using Deno. Just write await Deno dot .mkdir. In here at first what will be the parameter? The path. Okay, the path will be string. The dir name will be new folder. Okay, and is there any option you can give here? Okay, this you can return a promise, but for now I'm not giving anything. Now just write Deno run allow net. This time we need write permission. Allow write. we made a folder, that is new folder, and inside this folder we are going to make another file. Okay, for that we are going to use this Deno.write file. We just need this 3 lines of code. Okay, copy this 3 line and paste it here below. This data, okay, this data is hello world, and this should be inside dot / new folder / there will be a backward slash, I think backward slash, and okay, I think we don't need this / and dot. Okay, I think we need to delete it. At first, run it once again. It's on. This is the hello on. This is the text we are giving. That is the data. Now we know how to write file in by Deno. Here we are going to use decoder to decode or read the file that we made inside the new folder. So let's start. Const decoder is equal new text decoder. This is UTF version 8. Because this is the data we have. Data is equal Deno dot read file. We are going to read the file that is hello1. You see that saying the location, then location will be dot / new backward slash, because we have an space, new FOLDR, we have any space in the name of new folder, / name of our file hello1.txt log. Let's log this out. Decoder dot decode our data. It's saying argument type promise is not assignable parameter type. Okay, we should give an await function here because we need to first read the file, then we are going to print it. Save it. Deno run allow. This time we are going to allow read file, that is the permission we are going to need. Server tab. This is compiled successfully. It's saying hello world. Let's do some test. Assert something. For example, we are going to assert that on plus on is equal to, and we are going to prove it by using a library that is assert. Okay, go to the Deno official website. From here, go to standard library. Here you can find testing modules. Where it is here. Click on testing, assert testing. This is only assert. Okay, we are going to import assert No, we are going to use assert equal. This one we will use this function. You see, this function is exported from here by importing this assert.ts file inside our code. We are going to use that function. Okay, just write import ASSERTEQUALS from this library. Okay, we have imported. Now let's do the test. Just write Deno.test is equal test definition. We are going to name anything like hello world. This is hello world test. And okay, let's make it callback function here. Otherwise, by using TypeScript we can do the same thing, but that will be more object oriented when you use TypeScript. Make a variable, let x is equal 2 plus 5, and assert equal. Here you see the actual number is x, comma expected number is 2 plus 5 is 7. Because both are true, we can give a message. Now let's see the result. Just write Deno. This time not use run. This time we're going to use test command server. Okay, let's test it. It's saying running test on test hello world. That was our name of our test. Okay, test hello world is okay. Test result is okay. Ignored. Okay, that's totally okay. It's working perfectly. That's all for this tutorial. Later on I'm going to make a Deno REST API series and CRUD operation and many more. Thank you once again. Have a good day. Goodbye.